Sometimes I'm absolutely amazed or flabbergasted at the ugly things some people say online to other people and the absolute disdain they openly show towards Māori people and the things that we hold dear. Usually the comments come from people without their own face as a profile picture or without their own name, and they have very few followers. I've often rolled my eyes at the comments and thought, we are not going anywhere. This thought led to this pattern, Te Ahikaaroa, we are still here. Based on the history of iwi retaining lands through the ongoing burning of fire, I place 7 flames in this kete representing the many iwi that come from the 7 canoes that made their way here from Hawaii so many years ago. The many iwi that lit their fires and kept them burning and remain on their tribal homelands to this day. Te Ahikaaroa, I show my face, I say my name. Te Ahikaaroa, we are still here. Te Ahikaaroa, we will remain.